Hello people, my name is Mustafa and today I just wanted to share a few things that I know about the echo command in Linux. The echo command is a most commonly used Linux command. Especially it is used to display text or any sort of string item in the standard output, or if you want to just redirect something that you typed into a file by concatenating it, or either or by just adding it to a file. So let's go ahead and take a look at the man page for echo. So you can see echo is a display a line of text command. You see a few options for echo. The E option is what I use basically. So like you see, if you use the E option, you can use various other options like the vertical tab, horizontal tab, maybe put the output or part of the string into a new line, backspace. Not much, but sufficient. Echo doesn't have a lot of options, but it's got sufficient amount of usage. Along with that, along with you looking at the echo command, we will also be seeing how echo accepts strings in different forms and how does it display the string and or its values in standard output. So what I'm trying to say is, if I type echo I am Groot, it'll type I am Groot, but if I type echo I am Groot, it doesn't. However, if I type echo, put it in double strings, it doesn't either. However, single strings, but why is the dollar sign there? I didn't want the dollar sign, I just wanted I am Groot. So there are many combinations that echo accepts, echo doesn't accept. We're gonna take a look at them. Stay tuned. So just gonna clear the screen. First we're gonna be seeing how does the echo command respond to text that is not in single quotes and not in double quotes. So basically what I mean is normal text in no quotes. So like you see, echo I am Groot, standard output I am Groot. So if you see, I have no files currently in my working directory. Now if I echo I am Groot and I redirect this into Groot.text. Now just checking the exit status. We'll check about the exit status later on, but I'm just letting you know. So if you see, now there is a file created called Groot.txt, and if you just cat Groot.txt, you see, so instead of putting the text in standard output, I redirected the text into a file which I can then access. Basic thing. Now as we saw, echo with the E option, we have different combinations we can use. So you might be thinking, hey, can I use it or not? So let's try. So I do echo minus E. This initiates the option I am So now let me just put a tab between, well, let me not put no space, and let me just put group. So it didn't accept my request. Instead it printed the letter T before group. I did not want it to print the letter T. I wanted a tab space. So it didn't work. Let's try the other option. So we saw there was \T for tab. They got \B for backspace. So basically it should move one space back, which it didn't. Instead it printed the letter B. Let's check another one. Now if I use the V letter, it should put a vertical tab, or N to a new line. So V doesn't do nothing, N doesn't do nothing. So basically the E option for echo for a text which is not in a string, neither is in a single string, doesn't work. So basically what we saw so far is echo I am Groot prints out I am Groot, or if you echo I am Groot into a file. Oh, okay, so let me show you something. So we can see that the current time is 10:27 p.m. The file last was created, sorry, and currently it's 10:30 p.m. If I pass the same command that I did the last time into a file, it's not gonna create a new file, but it's gonna, so you see I put a single less than sign. Yeah, I think it's less than sign. If I cat Groot, it's only a single line, because it's not concatenating to the file, it's redirecting the output into a file. So it'll remove any previous data in the file, and if you look at the timestamp has changed to the current time. So you have to make sure, if you want to just add the text into the file, you need to add two less than signs, sorry, greater than signs. So if you see now, it's added two lines, and if you see, the timestamp has also been modified, but I have two lines of I am Groot in the file. So make sure you have the two less than signs or greater than signs if you would like to concatenate or add text in a file without removing any data that already exists in that file. Alright, moving ahead. So far we just saw simple text. So if you notice, I'm purposely typing in Groot in lowercase, in small letters. I'm not putting it in capital letters or uppercase, because later on we're going to be assigning in variables, and I just wanted to show you the difference later on. Now if I do echo I am Groot, oh, this is going to work, because if you see echo, I've already assigned the variable Groot. If I do environment grep, you see, so what I did earlier is I exported uh, the variable Groot, and I assigned it the value Groot. That's what I did earlier before starting this session. So if you see echo I am $sign Groot, it gives me the value of the variable Groot, the value that are assigned to the variable. Now interestingly, exclamation. Do you think if we would print it or not? Let's see. It does. How about if I put it with the variable value? It does. However, I'm still trying to figure out the reason why it'll show me this output when I put two exclamation marks in the end, and when I'm trying to call out the variable, the value of the variable. Let's do it normally without asking the echo command to call out the value of the variable. Let me just put in echo I am Groot, Groot in lowercase with two exclamation marks in the end, without any space between the exclamation marks or the exclamation mark after Groot. And you see my output, it's echo I am Groot, no space, echo I am the variable Groot, and it says echo I am Groot exclamation. I'm not sure why is it acting like this. I'm still unable to find out the reason why I'm getting such an output when I put two exclamation marks at the end of a non-string, non-quoted string for echo. When I get the answer, I'll put an update. Until then, let's continue. So far we saw echo I am Groot being printed out, echo I am Groot printed out, echo I am Groot printed, echo I am Groot. Okay. I am $Groot exclamation. You see it didn't print out the $Groot. It didn't print out the $Groot. Now if I want it to print the dollar before Groot, I'll use the backspace, the backslash, and that'll print out the Groot, right? It'll do the same thing, it won't matter. So there are a few special characters that you need to take care of that'll work or won't work with or without using the backslash. Like see the asterisk sign before the letter Groot worked. Now if I put the backslash before the variable that I'm trying to call out, before trying to call out the value of the variable, it's gonna print out the literal $uppercase Groot. So these are a few examples we saw of how echo command reacts to text or string which is in no quotation marks. The next video I'm gonna be putting in is how does echo command uh, react to single quote strings and double quote strings. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.